everyone, welcome to Corner Studies channel. Today our session is on historical background of the Indian Constitution. We learn this one as a two parts. One, the Company Rule of 1773-1858 and the Crown Rule 1858 to 1947. Okay, let's start our session. British came to India in 1600 as traders in the form of East India Company. Okay, then exclusive rights of trading for them given by Queen Elizabeth I. Okay, after that in 1765 they got Diwani rights. Okay, what is Diwani right? The rights over revenue and civil justice, and three places are famous for Diwani rights. Those are Bengal, Bihar and Orissa. Okay, so let's start. The Regulation Act of 1773. So, the Regulation Act of 1773 is a great constitutional importance because it was the first step taken by the British government to control and regulate the affairs of the East India Company. And next, first time it recognized the political and administrative functions of the company. And third thing, it laid the foundation of central administration in India. Okay, and we have 5 features in the 1773 Act. Those are very important. The Governor of Bengal was designated as the Governor General of Bengal. The first Governor General of Bengal was Lord Warren Hastings. Okay, and second thing, the Bombay and Madras presidencies. Okay, the governors of Bombay and Madras presidencies should subordinate to the Governor General of Bengal. Previously, they were independent of one another. Okay, and third one, it provided the establishment of the Supreme Court at Calcutta in the year 1774. And the fourth one, it prohibited the servants of the company should not engage in any private trade or accepting any bribe from the local people. And fifth one, last point, it strengthened the control of the British government over the company by requiring the Court of Directors, and that Court of Directors should report on its revenue, civil and military affairs in India. Okay, these 5 points are very important. Next, Pitt's India Act of 1784. Okay, Pitt's India Act of 1784 is distinguished between the commercial and political functions of the company is the first feature, and the second feature, it allowed the two bodies, okay, like Court of Directors and Board of Control. Court of Directors should manage the commercial affairs of the company and Board of Control to manage the political affairs of the company. Means here the established a system of double government, we can say duarchy. So we can say that Pitt's India Act, through Pitt's India Act, duarchy government was started. Okay, and also the Board of Control to supervise all the operations of civil and military government. And first time companies territories in India were called the British possessions in India. So it is famous for this. Only 3 features are there, Pitt's India Act. Next, Charter Act of 1833. It is Governor General of, the first features of the Charter Act of 1833 was Governor General of Bengal. Designation changed as a Governor General of India. Okay, the first Governor General of India was William Bentinck. Next, previously whatever the actions they took, those are regulations, while the laws made under these acts are called acts. Okay, and next it ended the total activities of the East India Company as commercial body, and the whatever the activities done in the name of interest for His Majesty and his heirs and his successors. Okay, and next, last one and most important one, this Charter Act of 1833 attempted to introduce a system of open competition for the selection of civil servants, but it is opposed by the Court of Directors. And also it said that Indians should not be debarred from holding any place, office and employment under the company. Okay, so these are the 3 acts, very very important. Now discuss previous questions. What the questions asked previously? The first question was, what is Diwani? Diwani means what? So it's rights over revenue and civil justice, and which place? Bengal, Bihar and Orissa. This is the first question. And next one, under which act Governor of Bengal designation changed as a Governor General of Bengal? Okay, it is a regulating act of 1773. And in some of the exams they asked, who is the first Governor General of Bengal? Lord Warren Hastings. And second thing they asked that when the Supreme Court established, okay, when 1774, place Calcutta. Okay, next one, and which act, through which act double government started or duarchy started? That is Pitt's India Act of 1784. So Court of Directors and Board of Control. Court of Directors to manage the commercial affairs and Board of Control to manage the political affairs. These questions they asked. And next, through which act Governor General of Bengal changed as a Governor General of India? Through which act? Charter Act of 1833. And first Governor General of India was William Bentinck. Okay, so these are the previously questions they asked. In next session, I am going to discuss Charter Act of 1853 and Government of India Act of 1858 and also Indian Council Act of 1861-1892. Thank you. Jai Hind.